We have a 3-pound box of mystery jewelry that I'm gonna unbox with my 2 daughters. Oh, nice.
Oh my gosh.
I have no idea what is in here.
Oh, this is fake. There's 2 of these.
This is a bunch of bangles, it looks like.
Can we keep some of this?
I don't know. Oh wait, or is this this is like a really long piece. I see, so this doesn't actually go with it. This is like, I guess it still would be considered bangles, wouldn't it? What are these? Are these like,
Yeah, like bangles.
is it like the seed beads? Is that what this is considered? Here, see if you can. Ooh, this is pretty. It says Merry Christmas. It's a pretty holiday bracelet. This looks like it goes to, oh wait, no, there's a, oh, it's an earring. This one's an earring, so if we see a match to this, then we need to,
Probably in there somewhere.
I don't know if it's got any type of marking on it or not. That's cute though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ooh, what's this?
No, I don't see a marking on it. But it is a cute little earring. I just realized my hand was covering up the phone most of the time. I think this is,
Look at this.
oh, that's cute. I think this might be an Alex and Ani bracelet. It's cute. This might be another. Yes, this one I'm almost positive is. I know, I wanted to see that.
It reminds me of Taylor Swift, the Reputation album.
Gross. This is another bangle.
Look at
Oh,
this.
this is cute. Yeah, that's another charm bracelet. I don't know if this video is even getting anything very well. Very cute. Ooh, what's this? Hey.
Look at this.
Don't know that I see any markings on it. So it's just a gold tone bracelet, but still very pretty.
I really like this stuff.
Oh, nice. That's really cool.
Look how pretty this is.
It's like
Very cool.
a cross bracelet. I like that.
Look at this one.
Oh, nice. That's costume, it feels like.
What's costume?
Oh, wait, hold on. We gotta
It's a heart.
get it untangled. Hold on. There we go. Costume is just like, just regular jewelry that's not like silver or gold, I think. Yeah, but that's a cute little necklace.
I hate untangling necklaces.
Is this gold or no? Probably not.
You have to
Don't
look
look
to
like
see if it's
it.
got any markings. Oh, this is pretty. This
It-
has got a red, green, and probably cubic
It does have markings.
stones.
It's like a black bead.
Another
Yeah.
charm bracelet.
It was painted.
Let's see. Oh, this has got the.
Uh-uh.
Oh, this one's got a marking on it. What do you think it is? Let's see. 10K gold. This is 10K. This 10K that we got in our mystery jewelry box.
It doesn't say on this one, it just says. Look.
This is made in China. Just a little stretch bracelet.
This one was made in China too.
Oh, I like that though.
Yeah, it is really
That's
pretty.
kind of cute. Just for, yeah, I like that. I would wear that.
Look at this.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, it unlike, it does that, so you can take it off easier.
It's just
Here's
chains.
another charm bracelet. It's only got one charm. Looks like the other charm fell off of it. I don't know what these are. These might be marked since they're in bags. Oh, that is some bling there. Show the camera that one. All of this has to be clean, but that is some very nice bling there.
It's like a men's chain.
Yeah.
I just like doing this.
What is this?
This feels like silver,
This
but I don't see any markings. Let me see if I can.
I can't tell if I like this or not.
Let's see.
I kind of like it.
I don't know if the camera can see this.
Are we already on?
I don't see any markings on that. Let's see if we can get.
This is stuck in there. I don't know how to got stuck.
I don't see any markings. It might just be.
Oh, I could be on.
Yeah, I don't know if this is silver or not. It looks like it is, but I don't know that it is. So
This feels like plastic.
that might be tested. And this is the exact same.
I think we need to test it because I feel like plastic.
They don't sound like plastic.
Feel it.
Oh, maybe they are. But they're still cute.
Yeah.
Cute little square bangle.
Look at this.
Hold on. Oh, look at this. This is this one of those paper clip chains? Is that what that's called? Oh, kinda. Not really, I guess. Don't know if I see any markings on it,
There's a
but that's
another
really
necklace.
cute. It looks like there was a little
There's a necklace.
something on there that broke off.
It's like this. Like,
That's a earring, babe.
oh yeah, earring.
But I do like that. I'll test that one too whenever I get the testing kit. This is the one that Sydney was oohing and on over earlier. It's a snake, I guess, choker type necklace.
Ooh, I love chokers.
It's gold toned. I don't see any type of markings. If that was gold, that would be amazing. But I think it's just gold tone costume jewelry, but it's still very, very cool.
Can I see it?
Yeah. What is that?
It's a necklace, but
I'm sure this is costume too, I'm sure. That's really cool though. I like it. It's got a lobster claw clasp. No markings. Still pretty neat. What's this one? These are cool. These are like magnetic. I like these.
This one's just like a.
well, it doesn't go that way. It goes. This way.
Look at this.
Some more bangles. We can put some of the bangles together and sell them as a group, I guess.
This is this is magnetic.
Is that magnetic?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Oh, it's magnetic on the inside, huh? Don't see any markings on this either for branding or metal material. That's cute. We got 3 X's on there. And this one, I think, is also costume. These ones are brand new that I know I haven't seen yet. Some brand new INC costume jewelry type hoops. Some more bangles here that still has a tag on them. Periwinkle is the brand. Oh yeah, Periwinkle by Barlow. You guys got this all spread out. I have no idea what I've looked at and what I haven't.
I couldn't get that out.
Oh, well, we're gonna have to work on this. Because I don't want to break it. Oh, right here. Here we go. This is a,
I'll be like the light thing. So you can see the light.
this one's pretty tangled. Have to work on this one off of, oh, I got my arm going through there again. Off the camera, but that's, it looks like a layered necklace. It looks really cool. That's pretty. If we can get it untangled. Another bangle. What else have I not seen here? This one. This is connected hoops, I guess. That's really cool. And it has a lobster clasp. Doesn't have any markings. But that one you could, I guess, wear it as a long necklace or even double it up.
Short necklace, yeah.
It would be a short, yeah. Let's see, we got this, another stretch bracelet. It looks like with some rhinestones in it. Rhinestones do not appear to be missing. I don't see any brands or anything on it. Here's another, looks like, feels like metal. They're cold. But there's no marking on it, but it's just a metal beaded necklace. We never found the pairs to that earring, did we?
Mm-mm.
Here's another earring that we got here. I don't know if there's any markings on this. I doubt it. It doesn't really feel like it would be anything precious.
It's like a baby angel on that
A
one.
cherub, or isn't that what it's called? A cherub, isn't that what it is? Or cherubim or something like that, little,
Yeah, maybe put the camera, put the thing on it.
yeah, it's a little, well, I can't see, there you go. Well, that's not really helping, Gracie. It's making things worse. And let's see. These, and you always look at the backs to see if you see any markings. There might be a marking on the butt here. Let's see. No. Nope, I don't see any. But that's cute. I'm gonna have to get a better setup. I don't know if I'll be able to post this one online because it's not very good. Tell Your Tale, 98.5 degrees. Earrings. The boho collection. Lead compliant. Oh, this is another cool one. I like these. I don't know if this looks small. I don't even know if it would fit me, but let's see. Ah, it would. I like these. I thought I saw, I thought I saw charms in here that looked like it went to like, a Pandora type charm bracelet. Did I not see something like that?
I didn't see anything like that.
What is this?
It's a necklace.
Get that out, Gracie. Oh, okay. That feels nice. Let's see. So we got a lobster clasp, no pendants or anything, and it's just 2 pieces of different types of necklace. Looks like it just needs to be, there you go. It would go like that. The ball doesn't say anything on it. Here's one that I haven't got to see yet. It's costume, it looks like, for sure, but it's a big
It's heavy.
statement piece. Yeah, it's got a lobster clasp on it again. It is heavy. That probably weighs the majority of the 3-pound box that we got. It's heavy. Feel it.
Yeah?
Oh, this says PL on it. What does PL mean?
Mm-hmm.
Me either. We're gonna have to look it up. Here's another one that I did not see. Oh, I like that. That's pretty. So this is the bottom part, and it just goes another statement type piece. I like that as well. And it also has a PL on it. So it must be like some type of brand name. See the PL on that? No
I looked at it all.
925 markings or anything like that. And what about this one? Did I see that? Yeah, I already saw that. This is, I guess, a bracelet. Looks like it's missing the safety. It does have a marking on it. What does it say? I can't tell. Can you tell what that says? You can hold it if you need to. Does it say 925 something?
I think it says numbers, but I don't see 5. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Oh, Avon. This is an Avon bracelet, so I'm sure it's not 925. But
Okay.
an Avon bracelet, it looks like it is missing the safety portion of it, the little safety chain. Avon, it'd be cleaned up and it would be good. And I think that is all we have. This one says, friends or family, we always choose for ourselves. Or no, friends or family that we chose for ourselves. That's cute. But I think that is just about it. Next time I'll get a better setup. If I even decide to post this, I don't know. And this one's a dream is a wish your heart makes. That's cute. For any Disney fans out there, that's cute. This one's follow your dreams wherever they may lead with Ariel on it. Yeah, can give that one to Dave. All right, that's it. Thanks, bye.